Ito po ang ating laban sa araw na ito. Amy Spikers going up against the Signal HD Spikers. Balik tanaw muna tayo sa kung ano nangyari sa ating first set. Actually, it looked like Signal was well on their way from yung talagang uubusin na nila itong Amy sa pagsisimula with the attacks like that coming from Janet Panaga. Pero pati yung depensa niya, no? Maganda rin ang unang pinakita. But then suddenly being up 10-3, here comes Amy's.
Biglang nagising na nga itong Amy's, of course, with the help of Cindy Imbo. I think she was the first player who actually started thinking inside the court. Binariate niya yung place niya. And of course, we have to mention na, what do you call this, na naghanap din sila ng ibang target. Kaya nga lang, mas maganda pa rin overall, I think, yung naging depensa nitong Signal. And dahil doon, mas madami silang atake, even their block. So mas mataas yung kanilang depensa sa net. Service ace, di naman nagkakalayo, and the unforced error.
Coach Sammy Aguilar trying to make everybody get on the same page, and practically on the same page naman sila sa second set natin. Janelle Cheng has just been the heroine so far.
Yes, I think the story of that set was, you know, just Janelle Cheng showing everybody what she can do, not just, you know, the setting department, pero grabe yung opensa niya from the service line. Kung mga 8 lang, 8 points easily, she got it in that last set. And syempre after niyan, tumutulong din siya sa opensa nila, Janet Panaga.
Definition of baon. Pag hinanap niyo po yun sa dictionary, as we take a look at the numbers here, actually, it's the errors talaga. Look at that, one error lamang para sa Signal.
Madami dyan actually, yung sa service nga ni Janelle Cheng, service ace, ayan, 6 service aces from Signal. I think all of that, or at least 4 or 5.
4 or 5, you're right. Yeah, galing din kay Janelle Cheng. And Signal will finish the preliminary round. 2 wins and 5 losses. Still part of Group B. We will see more of them in our second round of action. And again, congratulations to Coach Sammy for picking up win number 2 para dito sa kupunan ng Signal HD Spikers. As we have our match summary, makikita natin all in all na ito, Denise.
Well, looking at it, lamang naman talaga yung Signal. Attacks, yung blocks, yung aces nila, and even the unforced errors, they were able to contain it, lower it rather, at all 3 sets.